Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the MOVA Mobius 60. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, simple and straightforward, make sure your device is powered on. So we have our blue light right here. A restart is completely different from a reset. This is not a factory reset. This is a simple power cycle or reboot. So we'll be turning it off and then back on. So first things first, identify the power button up at the top. Make sure your unit's on. If it's not, press and hold that to turn it on. But in our case, we want to restart or reboot this. So press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds here. It just made a chime. You could hear some internal movement. And now it's working on shutting down. We'll eventually notice the lights will go off. There we go, the light is off. We'll give it another second or two. But now with it in this current power state, we can just go ahead and reboot it by turning it back on. So again, same thing, press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds here. The lights have started to initialize, so everything is setting up again, and it's turning back on. That's it. That's how you restart the MOVA Mobius 60.